Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing so well. Sorry, I'm just talking with my low voice because my kids are sleeping next door. So I just had my shower, hence I'm in my loungewear. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm not living my best life at the moment. I'll just put that there. So for the past week now, I haven't been looking after my skin. So today, my daughter actually looks at me and said, "Oh, mom, your nose is peeling, your face is very dry." So I know the reason why, because if you're not mentally stable, you're full of emotion and pain and everything, looking after yourself in the morning is not the first thing that comes into your mind, you know, when you anxiety and everything is just happening. Anyway, I don't want to depress you guys with this one. So yeah, so today I thought I'll just do this with you, because one of the things I tried distracting myself during the day as well. So this is a really nice distraction for me, just to kind of switch my mind from everything that is happening around my world. So I'm just going to treat my face a little bit. I don't know if you guys can actually see the state of my face. So it's really a mess. Like, it's very dry and it's very flaky as well. Actually, my skin is peeling. I really need to give my face a really nice scrub. I haven't seen myself today. I was just like, I look so, I don't know, I just look a little bit just out. You know, on this channel, it's a very fun channel. We like laughing, we like dancing, but some days. So for today, I'll be looking after my skin. I promised myself, as I was having my shower, then I said to myself that I look at my face. I was just about to just put anything on my face again. Then I thought, no, let's just put this face together. So a nice company actually sent me through PR. It's called Nature Calm. They actually sent me some goodies through their PR package. So I'm going to be integrating some of their products with my night routine product that I usually use. So some are really interesting. Some of the products are really interesting. Hydrate, moisturize, have hyaluronic acid in it, so which is really good. Most of you know that I have dry skin. If you've been following me, I have dry skin. And this one is multi-ban, and this one have like a lemon and ginger. So I've opened this and I smelled this one. Oh my god, it smells so lemony and like really ginger. You can really smell, it's really powerful. You can really smell the smell come through. So, and this one have clay, so definitely I'll be using their clay tonight. I'll be applying their clay on my face tonight. Gosh, yeah, it just look like that. And what else do we have here? Restore hand cream. Oh my god, I love hand cream. My hands are really dry, like, honestly. So a good hand cream is good. And it's this company product is nature based and is vegan. They are very nature influenced to do their products. So guys, check it out. I'm going to list everything down below for you to check it out. And if you are interested in their products, there's a discount code here. You could use Nation1. I saw it somewhere. Yeah, you could use Nation1 to acquire any of these things. So let's get this face of mine. Let's put it together, guys. So as you can see, guys, I took my spinning brush and my Clinique bar soap just to clean my face and make it as clean as I can. So here I just took my warm damp flannel just to take the dirt out. So here is my Tammy green tea facial scrub. This facial scrub I really like. It's amazing. It's full of goodness. It's very organic. I'm going to try and list it down below. I used to have a code, but I don't know if it works anymore. So I'm just going to use that to absolutely scrub my face and take any flaky skin off. So the same thing, I'm just giving my face a good wipe. Good clean. Oh yes, I'm quite pleased with the result. It looks so nice. My face looks brighter. So here I'm just taking my clay mask from Nature Can, and this mask help is perfect detox for sensitive, oily, and combination skin to clarify and even add skin tone. Is anti-inflammatory formulation with aloe vera and a powerful antioxidant to improve the appearance of blemishes and sunburn and skin irritation. Honestly speaking, this clay is really nice, and for best result, use for 1 to 3 times in a week. So yeah, I can't wait to use it again because it's very lightweighted, but it is very powerful, very easy to dry, and I quite like my face afterwards, as you can see. Yeah. So now I'm just going to go with my vitamin C oil from Serum. I love this vitamin C oil. It smells absolutely divine. So this is my 2nd or 3rd can now that I've been using, and I just love it. So here I'm going to use my peeling serum from Serum too. I love the serum. I think it's absolutely wonderful. It's great. And here I have the night cream. So by the way guys, I've done a little review, like I did a haul to this product, so you could check. I could leave the card on so that you can check that video out, and I will try and list everything that I've used down in the description box for you guys to see. The night serum absolutely sinking. I love it. It's so good. So here I'm going to use my moisturizer, my Hydrate moisturizer. This is a daily facial moisturizer for a bright and healthy, long-lasting glow. Anti-inflammatory formula rich in antioxidants, suitable for all skin type, together with hyaluronic acid, shea butter, cocoa butter. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely loaded. I tried just to use it on my neck because sometimes we do forget to treat the neck as well. So yeah, so this is a very nice hand cream. This hand cream, honestly, when I used it just sink into my hand so well. So this is a nourishing hand balm, suitable. So this is a nice lip balm. So this lip balm is very smooth. I really love it. I love putting lip balm before I go to bed because I don't like cracky lips in the morning. So guys, oh my goodness, look at my face. It's amazing. Honestly, it really is amazing. I am so when I started this whole thing, you saw my face, how weak and how dull my face was. But just going through this process with you guys, look, my face feels so clean. It feels so smooth. I can really feel that I've done something to my face, especially, you know, when you've gone to the spa, the way you feel afterwards, it just feels so smooth. And I really love this product. You know, I use this clay. Oh my goodness, the clay is so light, but when they say small but mighty, this is this clay. I love the way it went on my face, and it dries so quickly. It's not one of those kind of clay that takes forever to dry to start doing what they meant to do. It just sank in, and honestly speaking, it just, yeah, I could just really tell. It's amazing. Oh my God, I use the lip balm. The lip balm is so smooth. Yeah, it's very smooth. It really is. It's so smooth on the lips. You know, the gloss, the balm itself is very silky. It really is nice product, honestly. So yeah, I was able to use the hand cream. Honestly, the hand cream sink in so nicely because my hands are so dry. So it sink in really nicely. And my neck, I use the moisturizer. You know, I keep rubbing my neck like that. It's just like water based. Honestly, it just feels like water based. It went in without any, yeah, I was really surprised, and my neck feels so smooth. No, I really enjoyed this mini session that I have for my face. The real deal, how rough and how low I was, and doing this, it just kind of uplifted my spirit a little bit, if that makes sense. No, look at my face. I'm really pleased with the outcome. Now I'm going to go to bed and go rest my head. Hopefully I'll be able to sleep with the help of this thing I've done to my body. I'll be able to sleep and have a good sleep. So Thank you so much if you've watched to this extent. I really do appreciate you guys. And if you know you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Don't forget to like this video as it helps Mrs. Algorithm to rank my video a little bit. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Sending you all love and light. Bye bye.